Hey guys, welcome back to the Restaurant and Bar Podcast. This is Erik Shellenberger coming to you from Los Angeles, California. I want to show you a very cool tool that'll let you see Google search results as if you were standing in another part of the country. So this is a Google Chrome extension that'll let you basically see whatever keyword you're searching for, what the results are if they're standing in a touristy part of town or in a hotel or somewhere where tourists are, somewhere where you want to target people. So this is called GMB Everywhere. It is a Google Chrome extension, and once you install it, it looks like this right here. I'm not going to go through the installation process because it's just like any Google Chrome extension. It's pretty easy to install. So once you install it, here's my search word, Mexican restaurants. You're not going to use the near me because near me is implied with this, so it's irrelevant. You can just keep the near me out of it, and it'll put that in for you. So this is the list of Mexican restaurants near me, and these red buttons right here are part of the GMB Everywhere extension. So I'm going to go to teleport. Teleport is going to look like this. So there's our keyword right there, and I'm located right in the middle of this map right now. So obviously, we already got the results from if I'm standing here. So I want to go up to the Chinese Theater, which is the touristy part of, it's probably the most touristy part of LA in the Hollywood Walk of Fame, right outside of the Chinese Theater and Jimmy Kimmel's studio and the whole thing. So tons of tourists up there. You really want your restaurant to show up in a search in a touristy part of town. So we click right here and we're going to say, teleport me here. Okay. And there's our results. So this is going to be the top results if I'm standing right in that touristy part of town. So you can not only see where your restaurant ranks, so El Compadre right here was number one if you're standing where I am because it's right up the street from here. Still not bad ranking. El Compadre's been around forever and ever, so they have a very good ranking. And even if you're standing way farther away than a lot of the restaurants from 7 and below, they still rank better because they have history in their case. There's a whole bunch of factors that go into ranking better than everybody else. And that is a really long video. I've done a bunch of them about that, but these guys do a great job of that. And that's because of their really long history. So you can see not only where you rank compared to your competitors in a different part of town, but you can also reverse that and see where your competitors rank if someone's doing a search in your neighborhood for your restaurant and see who's outranking you, who's not. And then of course, try changing the keyword up, because one keyword is just one keyword. It's not the end all be all, and the traffic does usually differ compared to what words you use. And so let's say I want to check out sushi near me. Okay, there's the results for sushi restaurants in that same touristy part of town. And you can do the same thing from there. Try different keywords. I would try at least 5 or 6 keywords to see how you rank and where you're at the top of that list and what keyword needs help. So I hope this helps. Thank you.